Women's World Cup soccer kicking off tonight. USA women versus Vietnam in New Zealand, and I'm definitely going to be watching. The question is, will you, and especially the ladies, will you be supporting one of the most dominant sports franchises in all the world, going for the three-peat in women's soccer? But that's not the poll question of the day. The poll question of the day: would you rather watch women's soccer, women's basketball, or women's wrestling? Once again, Gary Lamb, Main Event Mania, poll question of the day: women's soccer, women's basketball, or women's wrestling?